Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Brex login issues, account and verification errors step by step clearly. If you're having trouble logging into your Brex account, follow these steps to resolve account and verification errors. First, double-check your email and password. Ensure that the email you're using matches the one associated with your Brex account. Check for any typing errors, as even a small mistake can prevent you from logging in. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email sent to you. After resetting your password, try logging in again with your new credentials. If you're still having issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and attempt to log in once more. Sometimes, browser extensions can interfere with logins. Try disabling all extensions and then retry the login process. If you're using a mobile device, ensure that your app is updated to the latest version. If the app is up to date, uninstall it and then reinstall it from your app store. Check your internet connection to make sure it is stable. Consider switching to a different network or using mobile data to log in. If two-factor authentication is enabled, ensure you have access to the device receiving the verification code. If you haven't received the code, wait a moment, as there can be a slight delay. You can request a new code if needed. If all else fails, reach out to Brex customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error messages you are encountering. Be patient as they work to resolve the issue for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.